steps to take to maximize the value to your business when you're thinking about selling. Let's talk a little bit about what an investor or somebody that's looking to purchase one of these companies might be looking for when acquiring a new subscription company or direct-to-consumer subscription brand.
You need to have enough margin to be able to operate your business and have profit, be able to grow it. If you can't make a profit after deducting cost of goods sold and customer acquisition cost, you're going to have a big problem trying to sell your company. Customer acquisition cost is a really tricky thing because it changes and often it doesn't scale, it anti-scales. The bigger you get, the more expensive customer acquisition cost can get. Very often customer acquisition cost is erratic. Sometimes what looks like trends are really just blips. And so what investors are really looking for, what develops value, is two things: growth and profitability.
How much data do we need though, right? Some brands are built and they're not profitable initially. The gross margin is not there until they start to scale. Customer acquisition costs aren't necessarily established. What's the time frame there?
Let's say that in the world there are two kinds of risks. One kind of risk is business risk. Can this business succeed? The other kind of risk is execution risk. The business is fine if it can grow. The question is, can this team make it grow? The first risk, business risk, is you're saying to a buyer or an investor, give us money so we can change what we're doing to make it better. Give us money to do something different than what we're doing now. That's business risk. You have to change the business to make it work. Execution risk is give us money to do more of what we are already doing. When you describe it that way, you can see how business risk is much more risky. Execution risk is much less risky. There are many more people who can succeed in execution risk than who can succeed changing the risk in the business.
One thing I think that there's a lot of confusion in this subscription world or in the acquisition world in general is, some people, it's a multiplier of top line revenue. It's a multiplier of EBITDA. It's X, Y. What have you seen? What is it?
Well, let's talk about that whole issue.
Yeah.
Our favorite topic.
We are literally asked this question every day.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
For just $9 a month or $99 a year,
you'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SUBTA Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it. It's all there at SUBTA.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SUBTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at SUBTA.com.